Dr. Bob Melamed, we're happy to have you here in Ljubljana. You're a biologist and a biochemist and also a researcher, and in the same time one of the leading authorities on the therapeutic uses of cannabis. And you're a physics of life, you said it before.
Yes, that's what my specialty really is, bridging the gap between physics and biology so we can understand based on first principles what is life. And if you don't understand what life is, it's very hard to try and create a state of health because you don't know how things work. But once you understand some basic simple principles, then things fall into place in a very I think powerful fashion.
I'm going to ask you for some scientific explanation. In some mainstream media it was reported that in 2015 2 people died because of cannabis here in Slovenia. National Institute for Public Health explained that they had heart failure after using cannabis. So first deaths in the history of mankind.
Yeah, the explanation is that they didn't prove anything. They just said something. They could have said with equal validity from what I've seen of what they've done. All right, so maybe I'm missing information. But from what I've seen, they could have equally said they died because they breathed air that day, or they died because they went to the bathroom that day. There's no connection between the death and the fact that they used cannabis any more than there was a connection between anything else that they did that day or the day before. You have to have some logical, mechanistic, high probable event. You know, the likelihood when you've got millions of people around the world consuming cannabis and by some magical, improbable event here in Slovenia 2 people die. This is just stupid nonsense. This is more of the kind of false science and nonsense that's perpetuated by governments and bureaucrats and the status quo around the world. It's stupid.